Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add flash in animations as an opening effects to your videos in CapCut Mobile. So here, just add your videos into CapCut like this. Then go to the beginning of your videos and click on the video and click on animation. And here under the in category, find the flash in animation. So just swipe until you find this flash in animation. Click on that and adjust on how long you want the animations to last. For example, I'm going to go with 0.8 seconds. Click on the check icon, and this is the flash in animation as an opening effect. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.